Are you still using the F word in your workplace? It's not supporting your employees, lowering morale, and always costing you money. Your purchasing team must be saying, foam matting again? We see it time and time again. Companies continue to buy bargain foam matting, expecting it to provide fatigue relief, when really, it's the opposite. A best practices article posted by OHS promotes businesses to ask the following questions about ergonomics for their standing workers. First, has the mat been optimized for softness and hardness? Foam matting provides a surface that is too soft and is prone to bottoming out. This creates a standing surface that is slightly better than standing on bare concrete and will get worse as it wears out. The second question is, does the mat provide an adequate balance between instability and stability? Small amounts of instability encourage small postural changes that facilitate increased blood flow to and from the working muscles. Foam matting is one consistent squishy surface. This can cause a loss of balance and affect body posture. The final question is, does the mat respond to worker movements? A responsive mat should rapidly return to its original shape as a person's weight is shifted. This helps support the body's movements. Foam mats might provide some rebound initially, but will quickly deteriorate after continued use. SafeFlex is the ultimate solution for employee support. Our tiles use a firmer material than foam, but our patented dome and leg structure design allows the material to easily flex. The domed top and diamond pattern also promotes subtle instabilities, promoting blood flow, ultimately reducing fatigue. Plus, SafeFlex is designed to compress, store energy, and rebound when released, returning energy back to the body with each step. Ergonomics aside, SafeFlex will pay for itself in just a few years and can last over 10 years, eliminating your need to regularly replace matting. It's time to stop using foam matting and switch to something with true ergonomic support. It's time to put the SafeFlex floor system to work for you.